Hey, here's a quick look at the Anbull hydraulic copper tube crimping tool. Here's what's in the box. It comes with a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch dies. The dies are easily interchangeable just by pushing the release pin on each jaw. Once you have the correct dies in place, just close the locking top jaw and close the hydraulic valve. Then just pump the handle like a jack and the jaws will close. To release, just open the valve and the bottom jaw will automatically return to the fully open position. To use, just place the fitting on the pipe. With the correct size dies in place, latch the top jaw around the fitting. Close the valve and start pumping the handle until the fitting is properly crimped. Then just open the valve to release the jaw and remove the tool from the pipe. I think you'll find it handy adding this tool to your shop.